Even those who don't like it, it will start eating. This is the best pineapple dessert. Start by adding a saucepan, 1 chopped pineapple, half cup of sugar, 700 ml of water, and now mix everything very well. Leave until it starts to boil. As soon as it boils, the pineapple will be cooked. Add 2 packets of pineapple flavored gelatin and stir until the gelatin dissolves completely. Turn off the fire. Set aside the pan next to 10 to 15 minutes until cool. Then add half box of condensed milk and mix very well. Also add 2 cartons of sour cream, totaling 400 grams. So it's already perfect. Now just move to plastic container of 200 ml and or other container of your choice. Once that's done, refrigerate until it hardens. After hardening, your pineapple dessert is ready. Look how amazing does it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.